Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to Quick Crafts. Okay, so today we are going to be using our lovely glossy accents. So we've had a few people ask us, what do we use this for? So glossy accents, obviously it's a glossy, clear it's a dimensional gloss. It's almost acts like a resin and it's great for building. I'll show you now what I mean. So we've got one of our stamps here. I'm going to ink this up in Nocturne and then we're going to colour it in, and then we're going to pop our glossy accents over the top. So this is our multifarious card. I'm going to pop that down around about there, give that a good press. Okay, so now I've got my Posca pen. Now you can use whatever you want to colour this in. You could use some micas, you could use some jelly roll pens, you could just use watercolour. I'm using the Posca pen, but as I say, use whatever you've got, that's absolutely fine. This is just a nice bright red. Even Brusho would work actually. So, coloured in. I'm going to add a little bit of black at the bottom. I'm just going to dab my finger over the top of that just to blend it, just to make it a bit more three-dimensional. Okay, and now we've got our glossy accents. So remember, once you've used it, to always replace your lid, because it will get stuck in the little canal here. And all we're going to do, it's really thick and easy to control, so we're going to go over the top all the way around. Now it does take a while to dry, so I would definitely leave it a few hours. It dries completely clear. The moment it's sort of I don't know, it's kind of like opaque, isn't it? But it will dry absolutely clear. Now something I like to add is a little bit of glitter while it's still wet. So I'm just going to pick up a pinch of glitter and just put a tiny bit over the top. Kind of almost sits in the glossy accent and looks fabulous when it's dried. So that's all we need to do. All I did on this card, which is now dry, is add a little bit of pan pastel down at the bottom and a little stamp there, a little stamp of hope, and you can see how lovely that has dried off now. So that is how we use, well, it's one way of how we use glossy accents. I hope that's helped you guys. Thank you for joining me today. And if there's anything else that you'd like to know about or you'd like to learn, just comment below and we'll do what we can to help. You take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.